Today's drawing class. First make circle, then make box, then make a line like this. Circle, half circle, here also like this, and one more line. Okay, then two line, again two line. Okay, then make like this, here like this. Okay, and make straight line like this leaf. Okay, here make circle, box, small box, two line like this. Here also like this, two line like this, then make like this. Okay, then make here like this shape, box, two line like this line, like this line, like this line, two line, then two line like this, here like this line, two line, leaf, here also two line, leaf, two line. Okay, here two line, then do like this, here also like this, then make here two line, straight two line, then make again straight two line, then make straight here two line. Okay, then join here two line, again two line, again two line, again two line, and also two line. Now make box, box, okay, then make straight line, make straight line, here also straight line, two line, straight line, tree, circle, leaf, grass, and straight line, join, cross, like this line. Okay, now color. First put sky blue color, here yellow color, yellow shade, here black, here dark light green, here dark green, light green, brown, black, brown, yellow, brown, yellow, black, orange, sky blue, black, brown, here brown, sky blue, orange, skin color, here skin color, dark green, okay, yellow, dark green, orange skin color, black, sky blue skin color, brown, green, orange, dark blue, yellow, brown. Okay, thank you.